If somebody told me that a time will come where we have auditor of prophecies in this country, I'll never believe it. Guys, if somebody told me that in 2025, we will have FDA approval for all prophecies in this country, I'll never believe it.
Yeah, Minister for Defense is here. The friend is saying, baby, I have a very deep message for him.
This Fact on Fact on Ghana SMTV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Interesting development from the office of the president. Guys, mind you, Ghana lost 8 gallant men in a very tragic accident where it claimed the life of 8 people. We are still mourning. Today, 2 of these people were buried. Honorable Muntala Muhammad, may your soul rest in perfect peace, and may Almighty Allah grant you Jannah and forgive all your shortfalls. And we've recorded over 50 deaths through accidents. This is very tragic and a very sad moment for all of us. May God intervene and may God protect all of us from this particular tragedy that is befalling us as a people. Guys, in the midst of all of this, prophets have decided to go back to prophecy. Guys, mind you, IGP Dampare banned these prophets and men of God from prophesying in this country because it was causing fear and panic in this country. Guys, the prophets have arisen. There were a lot of prophecy in here and out. On Omanebuama, Dr. Omanebuama was supposed to go meet a man of God because he called on him to come and meet him because he has some prophecy.
Yeah, Minister for Defense is here. The friend is saying, baby, I have a very deep message for him.
The prophets are still not quiet. They are still talking. That is why Grandma Jenan Opokwajima is telling you that this is not the time for postulation. This is not the time for you to be issuing distasteful, gloating messages. Indeed, Grandma Jenan Opokwajima is not having that. She's not in for that drama. Back to the substantive issue. Now, the minister in charge of prophets in this country, Elvis Efie-Ankra, guys, has a message for all prophets. And if you are a man of God, he's the coordinator of all churches. He's the coordinator of all religious activity in Ghana. He is the chief coordinator of all religious activities, including prophecies. And according to him, if you do not have any FDA approval, and you come out and stand on your altar and publish any prophecy from God, you go hear him. Let me repeat that again. He has issued a statement. A statement I will boldly attach on the screen. Pause and read. Elvis Efie-Ankra, the Brazilian man, the minister who bought one coconut for $100, is now in charge of all prophetic messages from God. He is the auditor-in-chief for any prophecy from God in this country. If you ever receive any prophecy, whether through dreams, whether through transcending, whether through ascending, whether through sleeping, whether through meditating or praying, make sure you write that particular prophecy in your diary so that you don't forget. You cannot tell Elvis Efie-Ankra that you were praying and the thing came up and you said it. Nope. You have to go to the office of the president. There is an official desk for you. Go and write the prophecy. He will invite you and show him diagrams and evidence of the time and when God revealed that to you, so that they will audit it. All right? And after the auditing, then they will know this particular prophecy is indeed from God. Oh no, this is Azantana prophecy. No, we will not allow you to say this because this one is an influential person in this country. We will do something about it. We can't do anything about it. Be quiet. Don't say it. Say it. Don't say it. Yes, this is how Elvis Afriankra is going to be run. He said, and I quote, direct all prophecies involving government officials to the presidency. This is a command from your own minister, minister of prophecy, minister of religious affairs in this country. You cannot ever say anything about prophets and about ministers in this country without it being audited. If you want to face the law, make sure you bring your prophecy to my office for auditing. This one is prophecy mu FDA approval. Prophecy mu FDA approval, because it's becoming too much. It is causing a lot of fear and panic. The same thing happened to Shatawale, and it had to cause the arrest of this man of God because the person becomes so restless. Now, with this issue of Dr. Omanebuama was unable to go. You could have found a means to speak to him. And still you are blabbing, even after this tragic incident. And more of them are coming out. They record the video immediately, the thing happened, and they come and start giving a lot of analysis. 888. President Mahama was born on 58. He was number 8 on the ballot. He was he's in his 8th month. 8 ministers died, 16 people died, and now it's divided by 2. Bro, every anchor has a message. If you go anyhow in this country, the way they'll make military people, or cadres may go, or cadres may come and cane you. You see, this time around, the NDC is serious. You cannot come and joke and be saying a whole lot of crap in this country anymore. If you are a man of God and you receive any form of prophecy, 31st night, all of you should line up at the Flagstaff House. There is a desk for you. Go so that Elvis Afriankra will audit your prophecy and tell you which one you should say, which one you should not say. If it's from God, go and report to yourself so that he will audit it and speak to God to find out if it's true or not before you come out and stand on your altar to talk. Now, a lot of them are coming out. Chief of staff, come and see me. Chief of staff. Hey, bro, how are we going to survive in this country with this approach? Do you support Elvis Afriankra on this call? Guys, pause and read his message to all the prophets in this country. Guys, the presidential envoy, Elvis Afriankra, has directed all religious leaders, including pastors and prophets and men of God, that they should be careful. Henceforth, if you receive any form of prophecy about any politician in this country or government officials in this country, and you decide to stand on your altar to say that is from God, you hear from them. Bring it to his office. Direct every prophecy to his office for auditing. You hear? If not, you go hear word. This part of fact on Ghana Same TV. You do like, share, and subscribe. Gracias.